Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change your email address in Strava. So make sure you are logged into strava.com and then go to your profile picture here on the right hand corner of the screen and then select settings. Once you get here, make sure you select my account here on the left. And then if you scroll down, you should see this option here, change email address. Click it and now you can change your email address. You're going to have to provide your password to confirm, and then Strava is going to have to verify your email again. So once you hit update, it is going to send you a message to your new email. So you just have to open it up in your inbox and confirm. So that's how you change your email address in Strava. Please leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.